report bialingwasme a breaking report ke breaking news shaladu ne shane ti shop kadie shakana ka Akobo kane ti shop kongwane shamu kabot gwan memo shanware shaka maktin ne te ngat ken o ke morleni kane deni South Sudan People Defense Force ke sspdf ana awa ken ne de to connecting content shanong rewi ka Akobo Dr. Guy Kugala Governor Dung Jonglei Ken Ramadan la Commissioner Queen Nyaleo Ray which ka Akobo Waken use kanama ku kan kon civilian ku kan granna ka gor ko bikan civilian jako bugu were which ka bom antamana me mishora lat en winami me de kon dia te ka long ko de kon nga jeno ne me mi je ka long ko men shora laden wala na me information mishanong rewichin winami ka Akobo town nona na me toga ka jan shanga yandang ro barawon wala ronkin dangro yandang ro bakal ka pa dioko mani no ban more information ban ka je gwasame please akan kononiam gore jan wojin bisanal bije support be subscribe ko bilare tin content be re doran bi kan chamala shukiji na ban je link report dana chano kon gwasame. This is breaking news. According to the report, 5 people killed and 4 wounded in a cattle raiding incident believed to be perpetrated by South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF) and morally affiliated youths brought to Akobo by Dr. Guy Cook, the governor of Jonglei State, and Queen Makwach or Queen Nyaleo, the former commissioner and now the acting commissioner in Akobo. Among the killed are the 3 old men who were at the fishing camp at Akobo River, Lille. The youths are still pursuing the attacker, the Morale and the SSPDF, to recover the cattle. One of the informants within Nyaleo Circle reported that the governor, Dr. Guy Cook, is using insecurity to force the Nuer civilian to return to Akobo town. Morale youths affiliated with South Sudan People Defense Force have been entrusted to cause havoc and insecurity in areas where civilians fled. Last night on March 27, 2026, there were 2 separate incidents of attempted cattle raid at Lualian and Akobo Tergul. The displaced continue to live in fear of imminent attack from cattle raider. Name ejomu chanon kon adamanda na road bayoy galwadina eno shikoramo eno chatwok eno kanire kon chana ke diene nuare te wa chu gwad na lare je gorkatin lil ki to year namani report an chanong de kon dial te ngai kom le road me beje long eno na ke more information gwad me kwa channel kwa support kwa subscribe ko bien latest information tin content be bien ke chamala link be te mal ban another report ban ke link gwad be